For the last 3 months, life has been very chaotic and busy, and I'm not complaining about that. It's work, it pays the bills. So the moment a client reached out about some samples, I knew I had to do it. I don't have a signature or a deposit on this job, or even a guarantee that I'm gonna get it. But you know what? What if? What if I decide to believe that I will make the samples, I will show them to the clients, and they actually like what they see, and I get that job? That would obviously be the best case scenario. And in all reality, if I don't get the job, I'm just looking at this as an excuse to actually get my hands dirty. I am tired of the office paperwork. But anyways, here they are.